best of dua, the most comprehensive dua, and the most beneficial dua in the Quran. And this dua is known to every single Muslim on earth, most of them. And the dua is Ihdina Sirat al-Mustaqim. This is literally the best dua. Because if this dua is answered, everything that you hoped for in the dunya and in the akhirah is the best, is done. Subhanallah. So let's explain this dua. First, Ihdina. Why plural? I am alone talking to Allah Azza wa Jal. Ihdina, guide us. Number one, it is more befitting to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala when you ask him in plural. Yani, Ya Allah, I'm not the only one that worship you. I'm not the only one who need your guidance. We all are lost without your guidance. Now there are two kinds of guidance. Ihdina, I'm asking for guidance. What kind of guidance? There are two kinds of guidance. Guidance at-ta'lim, guidance al-irshad, guidance of teaching. Like for example, and this is the job of the prophets and the shuyukh, and I tell you that, Ya Shabab, or I tell someone, you have to pray, you must pray. Salat is very important. Salat is the rukn of the deen. I tell them that. I'm guiding him to the importance of salat. This is the first kind of guidance which is known to everybody. Now, the second kind of guidance is the guidance called guidance at-tawfiq. This is only, strictly, exclusively for Allah Azza wa Jal. So I can tell the guy to pray, but only Allah can make the salat beloved to his heart. That's why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala told Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, you cannot guide the one you love. When he was desperately wanting to guide his uncle, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala revealed this ayah in Surah Al-Qasas, that you cannot guide that second guidance. Even if you love the person so much, you just can tell them that. And that's why many of us suffer with our children, right? I did this. Listen carefully. If you really did your best from the beginning, you tried your best, everything with your child, and he or she are not being righteous, you have done your best, and the guidance is only from Allah Azza wa Jal. But Allah knows your best. So, guide me, Ya Allah, ihdina sirat al-mustaqim. Ya Allah, guide me. Both kinds of guidance. And look at the greatness here. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala did not say, ihdina ila sirat, to, or ihdina lis sirat, or ala sirat. He left it open. Ihdina sirata. What does that mean? I want, Ya Allah, all kinds of guidance. I want, Ya Allah, all kinds of guidance. I want to know about the guidance. I want to follow the guidance. I want to do the guidance sincerely from the bottom of my heart. I want to do that guidance, that ibadah, according to the sunnah of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. And, Ya Allah, keep me on the straight path. That's why it's not only once a day, minimum 17 times a day. Ihdina sirat al-mustaqim. Guide us, Ya Allah, to the straight path, and keep us on the straight path, and make us perform the ibadat that are pleasing to you. The way we are asking Allah Azza wa Jal is not proper. So Ya Akhwan, when it comes to Ihdina sirat al-mustaqim, we already prepared the praise. Wallahi, yani, subhanallah, with the state that we are in, we should be focusing and putting our heart in Ihdina sirat al-mustaqim. So Ya Akhwan, please, every time you recite, yani, is it coincidence or is it just words that we have to repeat?